Hello, we meet again, and thank you for visiting www.malaysiaopenhouse2u.blogspot.com. Okay, it's been a long time since I've posted any new stories on the blog, and where I am now is I'm in the city of Ipoh. That's up north in Malaysia. And look at this beautiful building. Yeah, it's Ipoh train station. Yeah, this building is known by the locals as Taj Mahal of Malaysia. Yeah, looks a little bit like Taj Mahal. Yeah, and this building was built in the 1914. Yeah, it's built in 1914, and took about 3 years to complete building the structure. Yeah, it's Moorish, sort of Islamic look as well, and it's the main train station of Ipoh. Ipoh is actually the name of a tree, yeah? Ipoh tree. That's how this lovely city got its name. Okay, I'll catch up with you with more stories and videos and photos of Ipoh.